Hey guys, Paul here, and if you are on Instagram and follow Rebecca DeGroot, you may have seen these really cool looking gnomes that she makes. I tried my hand at one and I'm going to make another one and walk you through the process. Alright, I got a walnut blank on here. It's about 2 by 2 by about 8 inches long, and I'm first going to just get it round. Alright, that's probably close enough. Now I'll start to shape the body using a skew. I'm going to start to form the hat, and I'm going to undercut that hat just a little bit. That'll give a little bit more room for the beard to tuck up under the hat. All right, I've got a piece of maple on here that's about 1 inch square, maybe 4 inches long, and I'm going to just use that to turn a nose. And I'm going to put a tenon on there about 5/16 inch diameter. All right, I'm going to poke a 5/16 inch hole into the body of this thing, which is the appropriate size for the tenon that I turned on the nose. All right, assembly is really easy. I've got these pre-cut beards. If you search gnome beards on Etsy, you'll find all kinds of options. I'll give you the link down below of the ones that I got, but there's a lot of different options out there. So what I'm going to do is just set it lightly in place and feel for the drill hole. And just open that up. Make sure that the nose fits through there nicely, which it does. All right, flip it around. Get as much of that fuzz off of the nose tenon as I can. Bit of glue down the hole, a little bit just on the tenon itself. And I'm just going to use hot glue and put it on the back of the beard. And I'm going to tuck it up under that. This is why I undercut that hat. I think that's going to make for a nice clean line. So I got that tucked up under the hat line. All right, and that's it. There's your gnome project. Very simple. A shout out to Rebecca DeGroot for this great design. Thanks for watching. Hope you come back for more. Please subscribe to the Tool Metrics channel for more woodworking, wood turning, and tool related videos.